Hello everyone, today we are doing London and we are at the DoubleTree Hilton Hotel. So I'm just going to walk you through what we have here. As you can see, I've got my bag set up by the TV and I can do some work here. There's a bit of a window that shows us, let's see what's happening here. Okay, not much happening, but yeah. Not much fun. This is at West End, London, and we paid about 200 quid, so not bad. I mean, double bed, although I think it's queen. I think I did queen, I can't remember, but yeah. You've got your bed here. You have the door. Let's just check what's in door number 1. Okay, nice. Got your bath, you've got your shower, nice clean towels. Does this thing open? No, oh shit. But yeah, I like the lighting in here because when you get ready, it's all, you know, can juice yourself up. Of course, the loo, toilet. So nice, sizable. I'm by myself, no familiar, so enough space. And then let us check, because when you go into a hotel, always lock, put a chain in it. Door number 2, small wardrobe. Okay, you can put all your savings in here. So I never use these things. I don't think I have enough to hide. Yeah. And then, yeah, I think it's a nice setup. You know, then you can, I like that when I came in, I was so hot. So it's nice to walk into a cool hotel. I've done a couple of hotels around Manchester, and now, this is my second stay. I can't remember the other one. I know Mercury was my last one. So I'll keep doing this as much as I can to give you a view of, you know, what to look for and what prices are there. I also wanted to, because I always do this when I'm in a hotel, like, especially for ladies, you kind of want to look at the bedding, and I didn't see any. It's always nice to have covers, but if you ask, they might not. So let's see what's under there. I always do this. I saw somebody, so I said on YouTube, that said if you're a woman, just make sure you're safe. Always look under the bed. Don't know what you'll do if you find someone, though. Anyway, yeah, so that's basically DoubleTree Hotel. It's nice and sunny in London, I tell you. Look at that.